Chapter 1. Introduction to IELTS. Lesson 2. Types of IELTS exam, academic versus general training. In this second lesson of Chapter 1, we will explore the two main types of IELTS exams, academic and general training. Understanding the differences between these two modules will help you choose the most suitable exam for your specific goals and aspirations. Academic module. The academic module of the IELTS exam is designed for individuals who plan to pursue higher education in an English-speaking country or seek professional registration in fields such as medicine or engineering. This module assesses your readiness to undertake academic study in English by evaluating your language proficiency in an academic context. Key features. Reading. The reading tasks in the academic module include passages taken from books, journals, magazines, and academic sources. The questions assess your ability to understand complex ideas, analyze arguments, and extract information. Writing. Task 1 in the academic module requires you to describe and interpret visual information, such as graphs, charts, and diagrams. Task 2 involves writing an essay in response to a given topic, where you express your opinion or present arguments. Listening. The listening section consists of recordings of lectures and conversations related to academic subjects. The tasks assess your ability to understand detailed information, follow academic discourse, and extract key ideas. Speaking. The speaking section evaluates your ability to engage in academic discussions, express your opinions on various topics, and demonstrate your fluency, coherence, and critical thinking skills. Who should take the academic module? Individuals applying for undergraduate or postgraduate programs in universities where English is the medium of instruction. Professionals seeking registration in fields such as medicine, dentistry, or engineering in an English-speaking country. Those aiming to enhance their academic English language skills and pursue scholarly endeavors. General Training Module. The General Training Module of the IELTS exam is suitable for individuals who wish to migrate to an English-speaking country, gain work experience, or undergo non-academic training programs. This module assesses your ability to communicate effectively in everyday social and workplace contexts. Key features. Reading. The reading tasks in the General Training Module include passages that reflect real-life situations, such as advertisements, notices, and newspaper articles. The questions assess your ability to find specific information, understand opinions and attitudes, and complete tasks. Writing. Task 1 in the General Training Module requires you to write a letter responding to a given situation. Task 2 involves writing an essay in response to a given topic, where you express your opinion or present arguments in a more general context. Listening. The listening section in the General Training Module features recordings of everyday conversations, announcements, and workplace discussions. The tasks assess your ability to understand the main ideas, extract specific information, and infer speakers' attitudes and opinions. Speaking. The speaking section evaluates your ability to engage in social and workplace conversations, discuss familiar topics, and demonstrate your fluency, coherence, and ability to convey information effectively. Who should take the General Training Module? Individuals planning to migrate to an English-speaking country, particularly for work or immigration purposes. Those aiming to gain work experience or undergo training programs in an English-speaking environment. Individuals who want to improve their English language skills for everyday social interactions. It is essential to choose the correct module that aligns with your specific goals. Carefully consider your purpose for taking the IELTS exam, whether it is for academic pursuits or general purposes. By selecting the appropriate module, you can ensure that your preparation is focused and tailored to meet your specific needs. Remember, both the academic and general training modules follow the same standards of assessment and share the same listening and speaking sections. However, the reading and writing sections differ in terms